everybody, how's it doing? So this video we'll do some data login plus flashing the tune back to the ECU. Doing the data login was very simple, and it was just too short to put in one video, so I decided to go ahead and just put that in together. So let me show you the data login first. Well, I got the file back from Z1, so we're gonna flash that back to the car. So let's start the car. Car's running, waiting for everything to connect. Searching for ECU found. Initializing connection. Alright, so I found ECU, UpRev flash ECU. What I did, contacted Z1, and John wanted me to do some third gear pulls. So starting in third gear around 2500 RPMs and going from there. So you click on login and tracing. And when you click on login and tracing, you get a second window to open up, and in that second window there's a bunch of different parameters. Now the UpRev website have certain criteria they list, and some of them is really old because the new version of software, like say that was probably for Cypher back in the day, and they haven't updated their how-tos. But they do what John wanted me to log was air fuel ratio bank 1, air fuel ratio bank 2, engine speed, knock strength, and also there was one more thing, wasn't there? Where is it? I don't see it. There was air fuel ratio, engine speed, knock strength, and also, hold on, let me look at my email. I think it was ignition timing. Yes, ignition timing, which, where is it at? Ignition time in advance. So there it was. So it's those 5. So air fuel ratio bank 1, air fuel ratio bank 2, engine speed, ignition time in advance, and knock strength. Blah blah blah. Oh, tongue twisted today. Let me confirm that and pull up this email. Blah blah blah. So yeah, ignition timing. So yeah, those are the ones needed. And simply when you got those selected and this car's running, you go to this red dot down here. So this red dot down here, and you click on it. I also found if you hover over it, you could hit the space bar to start and stop the log, and you see it's scrolling and it's logging stuff. So RPM's going up and stuff like that. So that's what I did. And when you stop it, okay, you could go ahead, file, save, and you can save the log, and it names it UpRev, the log number, the date, and everything like that. So it's pretty cool. So I did 3 logs like that, 3 pulls, like say in third gear, starting from 2500 RPMs. Now your eTuner might have different parameters. This is just what I got from Z1. All right, so we got that stuff logged. Now time for the scary part again. Well, I say scary because I've had some bad flashes with different equipment and stuff. Not the car, just different things playing around with flashing, like modems and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and switch the car off. Like I say, we got to start it with ignition on. So turn it back on, ignition on. Don't start the car. All right. I'm gonna close the program out, go back in, UpRev, and like see last video, the actual yes, I think hit it twice. No, second time. Yeah, the actual flashing really didn't take that long. So come on, program, open. Oh, no. accommodator. Let's drag this to the left. Okay. ECU found. Checking ISO. ECU ready. So now flash tune file. So opening flash tune file. I'm picking up my file that I got from Z1. Hit open. Do you want to reflash ECU? Hit OK. So it's saying uploading stub. I hear the fans kicked on. It's erasing the ECU right now. It's programming. Man, those fans probably draw a good bit of power. That sucks. Flash complete. Fans kicked off. Turn off vehicle. Okay, vehicle's turned off. Come on. Now wait, it's about a minute, a couple seconds. Turn vehicle on. Do not start engine. Vehicle's on. Do not start engine. Reflash complete. Look at that. Search for ECU. ECU found. Checking ISO. ECU ready. I guess it doesn't say. It just said come back, says UpRev flash ECU. So that should be done. Now really is to drive the car and see what's up. Go ahead and disconnect this. Phone up. Start the car. Car started cool. Close the garage. Let's go for a quick spin. I gotta get down this bloody curb. Raise this up. Oh, I have no air in there. I need to go higher. That's not too high. I didn't have enough air. Go wait for this thing to air up a little more. So when scrape with this low hanging motor dyne exhaust. Alright, let's go. Yeah, you see that annoying curb I gotta hit every friggin' day? Jeez. Alright. Let's go back, right height. So far the driving feels okay. Check engine lights, everything seemed fine. No real noise from engine bay area. This car in front of me, man. Hopefully he's not turning right. I need to turn right. It's a nice corner. Ah, he's turning right. Blarg. What was that noise I made? I don't know. Shit. Well, we can only hope on the way back we could get some nice free road on the way back. Can't really tell, man. I'm not really giving much gas, so I can't really tell yet. So it kind of somewhat feels the same. Actually, that kind of feels jumpy. That did kind of jump a little bit. Gotta love some Tennessee back roads, guys. Tennessee back roads, so nice, so curvy, up and down, deep in the cut. The thing is, I'm not too far from the city either. Well, I guess I can. About half an hour, 20 minutes, half an hour. All right, I'm gonna take a right here. That's a difference. That is definitely a difference to what was there before. But dyno feels something new. Oh shit. But dyno definitely felt something new. Holy moly. That felt good. Traction still on, traction tripping. Wow. All I have is cold air intake, the dual filters, art pipes, and Motordyne exhaust. That's all I got. Got a little short shifter, suspension air, well, air and stuff like that, some sway bars, but performance wise, I'm just eating it and shitting it. I don't even have headers. Damn it, this son of a bitch going left. Dude, man. The acceleration is definitely better. The butt dyno approves. Wow. I don't know. I may just have to give it some more time driving to and from work and stuff. See how it's going, but yeah, that pulled nice. It sucks, man. I would like to take those corners hard with this person in front. Exhaust a lot as fuck. It didn't get any deeper. I was wondering if it would gotten a little deeper. Having a full Motordyne, when you crack certain RPMs on some certain throttle, it gets loud as hell. I love it still because when you get out of it like that, it's quiet as fuck. What are you doing, dude? Oh, you going right there? Oh, you got Florida plates. What right there? What the hell is this minivan doing? Yo, lady, get off your phone. Yeah. So feels nice, dude. Feels nice. Sam wants to come out quick too, man. Bad road. Dude. She pulling nice, man. She pulling really nice. that's it for now, guys. Guess we'll check it out another time.